Hello and welcome back to what Jack has made. In this video I'm going to be adding full screen background images to web pages. In this example I'm going to be adding a mountain background to the top of the page and a map image to the map section of the page. So to start off we're going to add in the mountain, which can be found in the directory in the image folder and then background.jpg. So we want to find out what area we're going to be changing first off, which is going to be the section with the class of Maine, which we've already targeted before using our color rule, but here we're going to add in background, URL, and then the image location, and then we're going to say no repeat, so it does not repeat, center it vertically and horizontally, and then we're going to type in fixed, which means it will stay in one location. Now when using this CSS rule, you'll need to use cross-browser rules and prefixes to make sure it works on all the browsers. So to do this, we're going to type in alongside it WebKit background size cover moz background size cover and background size cover, and then just background size cover. And now what this does is WebKit is for Google Chrome, Moz is for Mozilla Firefox, and the O is for Opera. So we have some backup in case you're using a browser which doesn't normally support the background size fixed. Now when we refresh the page, not a lot has happened. And this is because we need to go into a new rule with HTML body and set the height to 100% and the width to 100%, so that the whole page will always be taking up the website. So there we go. Now it all fits. We have a bit of padding on the top, but that's to do with the box model, which I'll cover in the next episode. But for now, we now have our background image, and the website is starting to have somewhat of a structure to it in terms of colors and backgrounds. Now, the next image we're going to be adding is to the Explore section, which is down here, or the Map section even. And to do this, we're just going to copy over the code we have now, find the area which we're going to change, which is a class called Map. And then we're going to go into a new CSS rule, which will target the class map, and then we'll put that in. But now we have to change the background name to map.jpg, and that's it, because we've already written the code once. We can just copy and paste it, refresh the web page, and we have our map as a background. So that was pretty straightforward. We did cover some new CSS information in terms of the background image and making it full screen. As well as this, we covered WebKits, and WebKits are to make sure that CSS rules are cross-platform. If you don't remember them all, that's no problem. There are websites out there which will generate you WebKit code, or you can even install plugins for your coding applications which will auto-prefix for you. So in the next episode I'm going to be covering the box model, which will help get rid of all of these paddings and make the page look a little better, and maybe give it a bit more room to breathe in terms of where the text is laid out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content coming out soon, and I'll see you in the next video.